Hello, today we will guide you through how to change time in XM app. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to update the time setting by changing the time zone inside the XM app. This can be useful if you want the platform to reflect your local time more accurately, or if you prefer to view market activity in a different time zone for trading convenience. The process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. To begin, open XM and make sure you are on the main member area. Give the page a moment to fully load so all menu options are visible and responsive before you continue. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation panel and find the Market section. Click on Market to open it. This area typically contains tools and options related to market information and display preferences, so it's the right place to start when adjusting how time appears in the app. After opening Market, look for the Settings option and click on it. Settings is where you'll usually find controls for customizing your experience, including regional or display-related preferences. If you don't see it right away, take a second to scan the available options carefully in the current panel. When the Settings page opens, find the Time Zone drop-down menu. This drop-down lets you choose the time standard you want the app to use. Click on the Time Zone drop-down to expand the list of available options. Depending on your device or screen size, you may need to scroll slightly to see the full list. Now select your preferred time zone from the list. In this example, choose the sample time zone shown on screen. Make sure you click the correct option, especially if several time zones have similar names or offsets. Picking the right time zone is important because it affects how times are displayed throughout the app, including market-related timestamps. After selecting the time zone, the app should reflect your new time setting based on that choice. If you don't see the change immediately, wait a moment for the update to apply, or revisit the settings page to confirm your selection was saved correctly. And that's all it takes to change the time in the XM app. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to double-check your time zone setting whenever you travel, switch devices, or notice that market times don't match your expectations. Keeping this setting accurate can help you avoid confusion and stay aligned with the schedule you prefer. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helped you update your time settings in XM quickly and easily.